Qt is one of the most powerful framework in the world, but is it actually worth learning? Let's break it down in 2 minutes. Qt, pronounced as cute, but some people still use Qt just like myself, is a C++ framework that lets you build applications for literally everything. Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, embedded system, even fridges. Yeah, your smart fridge could be running on Qt right now. It has been around since 1991. Yeah, before the internet was even cool. So it's used in everything from Tesla's dashboard to Google Earth to PlayStation's UI. It's there. Even your best multimedia platform, VLC Media or Telegram. So how does Qt work? Qt uses a weirdly elegant event system called signals and slot. Instead of ugly callback hell, it lets components communicate in a way that actually makes sense. And Qt uses CMake as its build type. With a few lines of code, your project is ready. Building and running. So there are two ways to build UIs inside Qt, which is widgets and QML. And no, you don't get to pick both. Qt widget is just like old school classic Windows XP style UI. It's great for a desktop app. And Qt Quick or QML is a modern animated and touch-friendly UI as great for mobile, embedded system, and even if you want to impress your boss. So this is a 5-line code of Qt when you start a project in Qt Creator. Qt Creator is the IDE for Qt. You can use anything though, but it's one of the most recommended thing for building Qt. And your window is ready. Anything you write inside this file will be shown in the window. Why to use this Qt thing? Because it's cross-platform. One code base and you can run it anywhere. So this is Qt, and if you are a C++ developer, love cross-platform applications, or just want to flex on JavaScript developers, Qt is 100% worth learning. And if you like this video, smash the like button. If you didn't like it, smash it anyway, because when I see people supporting on comments and liking my video, it really gives me energy to keep on building videos like this, because I've been not making video for a long time. So any activity on my videos will really make me happy and motivate me to keep on making contents. Thank you so much.